In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete all the saved videos on TikTok at once. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to unsave all the saved videos on TikTok, what you need to do is to open the TikTok application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and click on this option that says report a problem. Then tap on account and profile. Click on profile page, then scroll down and click on other. Scroll down one more time and click on this need more help option. Alright, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to request the team TikTok that you want to unsave all the saved posts. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours all your saved posts on TikTok will be unsaved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.